The compact SUV segment continues to evolve with heightened competition, and the 2025 Toyota RAV4 emerges as a compelling option for discerning drivers. This latest iteration builds upon Toyota's reputation for reliability while introducing refined styling, enhanced performance, and advanced technology features that position it at the forefront of its class. The 2025 RAV4 offers a range of powertrain options to suit diverse driving preferences. The standard 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency, producing 203 horsepower while maintaining excellent fuel economy ratings. For those seeking enhanced efficiency, the RAV4 Hybrid combines gasoline and electric power to generate 219 net horsepower while achieving an EPA estimated 40 miles per gallon combined rating. The engineering excellence extends to the available plug-in hybrid variant, which offers even greater versatility for drivers with access to charging infrastructure. Beneath its assertive exterior lies sophisticated engineering that elevates the driving experience. The RAV4 features a refined suspension system with McPherson strut front and multi-link rear configuration, delivering a blend of comfort and responsive handling. The available dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive system with rear driveline disconnect enhances traction across various driving conditions while optimizing fuel efficiency during highway cruising. This intelligent system continuously monitors road conditions, automatically directing power to the wheels with the most grip when needed. The exterior design language speaks to the RAV4's capable nature. Its bold, angular styling creates a commanding presence with distinct character lines and a wide stance. Standard LED headlights provide excellent illumination while contributing to the contemporary aesthetic. The Adventure and TRD off-road grades feature distinctive styling elements that emphasize their all-terrain capabilities, including unique grille designs, larger fender flares, and specific wheel options. Every grade benefits from thoughtful details like integrated roof rails and an available power liftgate that enhance everyday functionality. Inside the cabin, Toyota has crafted an environment that balances practicality with refinement. The driver-focused cockpit features intuitive controls and available Softex-trimmed seats that provide durability and comfort. An available panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, creating an open, spacious atmosphere. The front seats can be equipped with heating and ventilation functions, while rear passengers benefit from available heated outboard seating positions. Climate control systems include dual-zone automatic operation with rear vents to ensure passenger comfort throughout the cabin. The RAV4's instrument panel incorporates either a 7-inch or available 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster, presenting vital information with clarity and customization options. The available 10-inch color head-up display projects speed, navigation directions, and safety information directly into the driver's line of sight, minimizing distraction while driving. Storage solutions abound throughout the cabin, including a center console designed to accommodate modern necessities with thoughtful organization. The standard 60/40 split folding rear seats expand the cargo capacity from 37.6 cubic feet to a substantial 69.8 cubic feet behind the front seats. This configurable space accommodates everything from weekly groceries to outdoor adventure gear with ease. The cargo area features a reversible floor that offers carpet on one side and durable plastic on the other, perfect for transporting dirty equipment after outdoor activities. Roof rails and available crossbars further extend cargo capabilities for bicycles, kayaks, or roof boxes. Connectivity and entertainment receive comprehensive attention in the 2025 model. The latest Toyota audio multimedia platform comes standard, featuring either an 8-inch or available 10.5-inch touchscreen interface with improved resolution and processing speed. Wireless Apple CarPlay connects drivers to their iPhone applications, including maps, messages, podcasts, and music subscriptions. Similarly, wireless Android Auto compatibility ensures seamless integration with Android devices, providing access to Google services including YouTube Music and Google Maps. The standard audio system delivers clear sound reproduction, while the available 11-speaker JBL Premium audio system elevates the listening experience with enhanced clarity and depth. A standard 3-month SiriusXM trial subscription offers over 165 channels of content, both in-cabin and through the SiriusXM app. Select grades include trials for Toyota's comprehensive connected services suite: Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect, which includes cloud-based navigation with real-time traffic information. Safety remains paramount in Toyota's design philosophy. Every 2025 RAV4 includes Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, a comprehensive suite of active safety and driver assistance technologies. This package includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Additional safety features include standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert to enhance situational awareness. Maneuvering in tight spaces becomes less stressful with the available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking and panoramic view monitor. Toyota's commitment to ownership peace of mind manifests in comprehensive warranty coverage. The RAV4 includes Toyota Care, providing 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, and 2 years of unlimited mileage 24-hour roadside assistance. The vehicle is protected by a 3-year 36,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Hybrid models receive additional coverage for hybrid-related components and the hybrid battery, providing substantial value for long-term ownership. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 represents a thoughtful evolution of Toyota's best-selling vehicle, balancing capability, efficiency, technology, and practicality in a compelling package. It addresses the needs of modern drivers who seek versatility without compromise, offering reliable performance alongside contemporary features. Whether navigating urban environments or exploring beyond city limits, this refined SUV delivers a driving experience that matches its sophisticated capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like and share it with others who might be considering their next vehicle purchase. Thank you for watching.